In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. I tested one-handed mode on all OPPO devices I ever recorded, and here's the fastest way to turn it on and use it on this one. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll to click on Accessibility and Convenience, and then select one-handed mode over here. Now it's time to activate it by tapping on gray switcher right next to it. When your switcher is blue, you need to read all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!